Today we have the 2023 MG HS. This vehicle has done just over 22,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, music, Apple and Android CarPlay, video, navigation, and our climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.